in all of this, I have been using values as my I've been using new numbers as my values. What if I wanted to have data? I can have it the other way around, say pd.series. In this case, my data is equal to labels. That way I have ABC as my data. Now we've been talking about indexes, default index of 0, 1, 2, or stating my index of ABC. Now let's see how to use indexes with Pandas series. So we're going to be working with some examples. I'm going to be creating region 1. Region 1 is going to be pd.series. Parentheses, and I'm passing a list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 3, and then 4. 3 and 4, comma, and then the index I'm going to be passing for this ones is going to be countries. I have USA, I have Germany, and that's a capital uppercase C. Germany, I'll have USSR, and then I'm going to have Japan. So this is going to be for my region 1. When I run this for my region 1, what I get is this: USA is 1, Germany is 2, USSR is 3, Japan is 4. Now I'm going to create another region 2. So what I'm going to do is just quickly copy this and I'll modify it. So for my regions 2 is also going to be a Pandas series. Regions 2, I'm going to be having 1, 2, 5, and 4. My country is US, USA, Germany. Let's change this to Italy. And then I'll also still have Japan. So this is going to be my region 2. When I'm displaying my region 2, I get USA is 1, Germany is 2, Italy is 5, and Japan is 4. Okay, so if I want to bring out a particular item, a particular index, it is case sensitive. So if I say region 1, using the square bracket, I need to pass in the name of the index, and then I would get the value of that index. So Germany is 2. If I had used a small letter G, I would get an error because this is case sensitive. So you need to be wary about this kind of things. Whatever you pass in, you can see that's a key error. Germany, you need to use a capital and uppercase G for your Germany because that was how it was spelled in the data. So Germany 2. So what kind of operations? Operations are then also done based off of the index. What do I mean by that? I can say region 1 plus region 2. And when I put these two together, you see that I have my Germany is 4 because Germany here was 2 and Germany in region 1 was also 2. So I have 2, I have 4 here. Italy, I have NAN. NAN simply means not a number. That's because we could find Italy in one region but we couldn't find it in the other region, so there was no possible operation for this. That also applies to USSR, but for the rest we have Japan, we have USA, and then we have this data type float 64. So all of these values we have are in floats. Okay, but if it's just the whole numbers like this, these are integers. These are data types you learn in your core Python course. So and that's your Python fundamental course. So let's stop here for now and move to data frames. We'll expand on the concept of our series. Thank you.